Here we have a gate that I built, and really the point of this video is once again just to show people, give them some ideas, simple things to projects around their house. So in this case, a gate. I built this gate to keep the dogs out of this side of our yard. This side tends to be where all the water runs, so we get a lot of rain runoff through here. So this side will tend to get muddy. Plus we do a lot of our new growth, as you can see with some of our plumerias back here. So I built this gate just again to keep the dogs out, but I still wanted the visibility and keep it pretty simple. So again, when I say simple, it's simple. This did not take, I think I built this in an hour, maybe a little more, but once I had all the pieces. So essentially what I did is I took 2x3 frame, framed out just a basic frame with a 2x3. I'll show pictures of the other side. And then I pocket screwed. If you don't have a pocket screw tool, highly recommend. I mean, they make things so much easier. It's just nicer and easy to work with when you're trying to square up corners, and then you don't have trying to screw a screw out here. You have a nice little pocket where the screw stays inside. It's nice and clean. So anyways, so 2x3 going around the edges. I took some cattle fence that I bought at Tractor Supply, cut it down using a Sawzall with a metal saw. From there, all I did was nail this on with those little, of course I should know what they're called right now, but I'm blanking, the little nails that are just like a U. And I just tacked that on underneath onto this 2x3. The reason I did a 2x3 is, again, I was trying to keep this pretty lightweight. And just, yeah, that's it. Keep it lightweight. So I did the 2x3s. And then just for aesthetics, once I nailed on this cattle, I just framed over, which I use with a lot of my projects, is this cedar pickets. I just cut down cedar pickets and I framed just to give it an aesthetic look. I also dyed this fence, but really, again, there's nothing special, but again, it just gives that aesthetic. Got some ugly wire on here. That's because actually I could take that off now. When my dog was a puppy, it was getting through. But yeah, so again, the big thing, 2x3 pocket screws just to hide the look. And then that way, again, I hide the screws. Some cattle fence that I cut down to fit in this frame. And then some cedar pickets, and then just got some hardware to put on. Again, the whole point was just to keep this a lightweight fence, but still be visible to see through it, because we do get a lot of plants growing in here. And from our kitchen window, we like to see through too, out to here. Just didn't want to block this off completely. Again, it just gives that aesthetic look of some looking through. I did this with a few other places too. And again, it's just one of those things where it's just to show people how easy it is to build a fence. Matter of fact, I'll bring it around. So again, I have the cedar pickets off the back, just so you can see where I did those pocket screws. So again, if I put something on here, it'll be nice and flush. So when I put the cedar pickets on the back, you don't see it. But again, pocket screws, and it's plenty strong enough with this 2x3. I didn't need a 2x4. This fence is plenty strong enough. I mean, and again, that was my goal, is trying to make it a fairly lightweight fence to get through, get in and out. But yeah, that's it. Again, my goal is just another project, just to show people how easy it is to do. No special things here. Just used a little square to square off my edges, cut with a circular saw. But also, again, gives me the ability with these pocket screws to kind of shape it the way you want when you lock it down. But yeah, that's it. Just a quick little project, show people, give you the confidence to knock out a little gate. All right, till next time.